Ikea keeps dropping so many new products this summer. We covered some of them in my previous videos, but of course I've missed so many more. So today we're going to another list of best new Ikea finds for summer 2025. I'm On, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting right off with the first new Ikea find, and that is this rice paper floor lamp. Ikea keeps releasing so many gorgeous lamps and lights. I'm literally obsessed, and this one looks so natural and nice. It spreads a soft diffused light through its rice paper shade, making any room that much more cozier. Its round metal base takes up a little room, making it so easy to place anywhere you want. Ikea had similar lamps in the past, but this one looks way nicer design-wise. Loving it so much. This one also comes as a table lamp version 2 for $9.99. Such a cute little cozy lamp on a budget. And when we're talking about lamps, I just have to mention one more Ikea light. That's new at Ikea this summer and looks too good to be true, and that is the Kudlava Pendant lampshade. Now this one looks like those expensive pleated lampshades made out of paper, but it is actually made out of recycled plastic, making it even more durable and easy to maintain. I just love the pleated shade so much. It's just as nice over a dining table as in the living room, and I can't wait to get mine on my next trip to Ikea. Now moving on to furniture pieces, a new Ikea wardrobe for this summer is the Radmanso Wardrobe. I've mentioned this collection in my previous videos. They look so mid-century with the warm walnut tone and brass details. I also love the blue shade so much, it looks so nice, plus it has space for both hanging and folded clothes with smart sliding doors too, making it such a nice piece of furniture overall. A new desk at Ikea this summer is this stylish work-from-home desk with a combination of modern design and smart storage solutions. This one will help keep your workspace clutter-free and organized since it has a built-in cable management for collecting cables and cords. The beautiful and timeless combination of oak, desktop, and black metal frame makes it look so nice, plus it's made so smartly to keep you organized and save space. A new Ikea Swirl Chair from that same home office collection is this gorgeous dark gray Swirl Chair that comes at $149.99. This one is the perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality. It's designed with modern living in mind, featuring sleek lines, a robust steel frame, and excellent support, plus a removable cover for easy cleaning. Not to mention, it has gorgeous padding in the seat and backrest, making this chair super comfy. Loving it. And speaking of chairs, a chair pad that's new at Ikea this summer is this round one that comes both in beige and dark gray. This one's a top pick for long hours of sitting since it's made with supporting memory foam and has a non-slip backing to keep it in place. You can even use it as a floor cushion too for extra seating since it's super comfy, plus the cover is removable and machine washable, which is so nice. A new Ikea find this summer I really love is this serving stand made out of acacia wood. This one comes in two sizes for two different plates, and they both look so good. Whether you're having an everyday breakfast or a formal dinner party, the beauty and practicality of this cross-shaped stand will enhance the overall dining experience, making the way you present food to your guests more aesthetic. Loving it so much. Another new Ikea find for the table setting are these glasses. These come in two color options, clear and smoky, and I especially love these smoky ones. They are a bit small, but are perfect for serving small drinks this summer. There are just so many old Ikea products that were given a new look this summer in new gorgeous colors. And we're starting off with my favorite one, which is the ÖBONÄS collection. You can now get this suction cup hook, container, and wall shelf in a beige color too, and I love it so much. When they first released this last year, they came only in green, and I'm so happy I can now get them in beige too. That's my favorite shade. Loving this so much. Another Ikea product that was given a new look this summer is the famous MARIUS stool, which now comes in this gorgeous blue color. Also, from this summer, you can get the famous Ikea shoe rack and a complementing shoe tray in this vibrant red too. There's such a cute trend regarding pops of red in the interiors called the unexpected red theory, and these two here are a great way to hop on that trend for sure. Loving this red color so much. The famous ekrar hat and coat hanger also comes in red this summer and looks so nice. I love that Ikea is following the latest design trends and keeps releasing furniture pieces that are totally worth the hype. A new duvet cover this summer I really love is this bold and playful duvet cover set with a graphic grid pattern of flowers in different shapes and sizes. This one's made out of smooth polyester viscose blend that has a fine sheen and is wrinkle resistant. And again, those vibrant blue and red shades make it such a nice pop of color for any bedroom. And another one in that similar style, but for those of you who are not that into colors, is this gorgeous black, white and brown one. This one has a twisting botanical pattern and it's made out of a durable cotton lyocell blend that breathes and provides crisp and fresh comfort. New pans and pots collection at Ikea this summer is this gorgeous one in turquoise and warm wood tones. There are a few different sizes here, but I especially love this saucepan. Not only these look so good, but they are also made out of aluminum cast and a sol gel ceramic non-stick coating. Plus the wood handles give it such a nice detail with the blue shade, loving it so much. Also, this frying pan from that same collection that comes at $29.99. This one's perfect for all dishes and it's suitable for all types of cooktops, including induction. And speaking of cooking and serving, a new trivet at Ikea I really love is this extendable wood trivet made out of solid pine. This one's super easy to extend. You simply slide out the wooden slats when you want to protect a larger surface, which is so smart. Plus, it's easy to hang on a hook by the kitchen worktop, which is so practical. And we're finishing off with the new Ikea wall art slash posters they released this summer. This first one is actually a set of 2 canvases that has such beautiful motifs printed on a high quality canvas wrapped around a deep wooden frame. Ikea rarely makes art that's worth mentioning, but this one is hands down one of my favorite pieces so far. And another one is this poster with fruits that has such a nice color combination that's perfect for this summer. And that's a wrap for today. Did you like these new Ikea finds? Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. Mine was definitely that pleated lampshade. I just can't wait to see it in stores. In fact, I'm going to Ikea next week, so maybe you'll get another haul video pretty soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. I post Ikea content every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Hi Mars. Are you awake? You're licking your tail, buddy? Hey. Kaisiti? Kaisiti? You're awake! Yay! Hey. You're the best doggo, you know that? You're such a cutie. You're such a cutie little doggo. And you look so smart in this chair. You will often sit like this, guys. Like rolled up and curled up like a little bagel. Oh my god, Mars. You're the cutest. You're the cutest, you know that? Love you. Bye.